don't just have boxing today on Kababayan LA. We also have Hollywood and fashion. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. My name is Janelle So, and you are watching Kababayan LA, America's first and only daily talk show for and about the Filipinos. Kung saan the last 2 weeks po, I went to the Philippines and I got to cover Manny Pacquiao during the last leg of his training in Baguio. At doon ko po nakita talaga from a boxer to preacher. Preacher man na nga raw ba talaga ngayon si Manny Pacquiao. Of course, I got to talk to Jinky Pacquiao, and she confirmed that with us, and she also shared some of her stories about the transformation of Manny. Stick around for that later on. Plus, our Filipino connection in Hollywood. Ang atin pong pinagmamalaking kababayan sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association is also now an author, and he is launching a book this weekend. Abangan niyo po ang mga detalye mamaya din sa ating programa. But before that, I know a lot of you, sometimes we have problems like this. Pag ba wala tayong makita na pwede nating maisuot kasi hindi magkasya sa atin yung mga damit. Aba, isa pong kababayan natin sa Pilipinas, she couldn't find clothes that fit her. So she started making her own clothes, and then it turned into a business. The story of Tinsley, Manila. Here it is.
Like most women, Elfie Aguinaldo Irasca loved to keep up with fashion. But after giving birth, she encountered a very common problem.
I gained weight after giving birth, so nothing fit me, so I decided to make my own clothes.
And she didn't just make her own clothes to solve her own problem. Elfie branched out to make clothes for friends, and now Tinsley Manila is one of the most successful online bespoke collection in the Philippines.
Dati kasi I had a store. Rent was too high, so I closed it up. And then now I was thinking I wanted to do something personal and have a more one-on-one relationship with the customer. I get to take care of what they want, their needs. And also because I didn't want them to wear the same clothes like everybody else did. Because I got a lot of complaints. Customers would, when they go to parties, pare-pareho sila. Like I remember I had a customer na she bought from a certain shop, and then she ended up in a party, 4 of them were wearing the same dress.
And what I like is when you say that you tweak not just the design, you also tweak the measurements. So talagang maganda yung bagsak.
Maganda yung bagsak sa katawan. And then like if like a dress is sleeveless and the customer wants to wear it with long sleeves or short sleeves, I can do that. I can turn a dress into a top and vice versa.
And then halimbawa pag medyo malalim and medyo conservative yung client,
pwede kong itahe. Pwede kong gawing mas high neck.
She's dressed famous celebrities like popular Filipino talk show host Chris Aquino. But Elfie insists Tinsley is all about real clothes for real women.
Well, I saw it in one of the Facebook page, and I said, this is what I want, because it's like my mom's dress in the 60s, and I'm into that era. I like that, but it's classy, but yet it's modern and chic. And I'm a mother, working mother, and I want something that I could wear it from work to function to tea to coffee and meet with friends.
Yung design, it's very classic and yet trendy, parang Grace Kelly. Yun.
What made you decide to place your order?
Kasi kailangan ko ng mga clothes for work, and here parang walang nag-fit sa akin. It's either big or too small. So, yun.
Beautiful clothes and personalization.
Yan, pag-usapan natin yung mga umu-order sa Facebook. Di ba tayo lalo na pag damit, gusto natin, nafe-feel natin yung tela, nasusukat natin. Hindi ka ba nagka-problema ng ganun?
Initially, I did. I made a gamble. It's like a risk all the time. But I found out how great Elfie is. As a person, as a businesswoman, and a friend. So from then on, I got this.
So, gaano katagal ka ng kliyente ng Tinsley?
More than years. More than years, yes.
And gaano kadami na yung mga Tinsley pieces sa closet mo?
To tell you honestly, I have to open up all my closet because almost all of it are Tinsley. Yes. Yes.
Bakit? Anong gusto mo sa designs ni Elfie?
Well, real women are not perfect. Okay? So I love the personalization, the made to order according to what I like and my size.
Paano naman ang ordering process? Matagal ba? Gaano katagal ka naghihintay? Paano yung shipping?
Not really. Actually, the first basic thing to know is what do you like? What do you like as into style, the fabric, and your measurements. That's all you need. Elfie takes care of everything.
It's simple. Pick a look you like, send your measurement, and wait for your custom made-to-measure frock. If you want your own look, pick colors and fabrics from the many swatches she brings along with her.
I actually don't think with the way I operate, I don't think I can get really big because I would lose my one-on-one relationship with my customers and I really want to maintain it and I think that's the reason why bumibili sila ng Tinsley. So, I don't know how big. I would like to make my US market bigger.
And to make it easy for more customers in the States, Elfie is currently traveling the U.S. for scheduled trunk shows.
So if you have friends and family in Arizona, do them a favor and tell them about the Tinsley Trunk Show in Arizona. I am also wearing Tinsley. Thank you so much. She had a successful trunk show as well in Costa Mesa last weekend. Meanwhile, back in Hollywood, meron naman tayong espesyal na book launch this coming Saturday, and we'll talk about that when we return. Don't go away.